Welcome back to my channel. So last month I made some cards using the card kit called Jumping Fall, and I'm gonna show you the cards I made. And they don't come like this. It's just that the packet that it came in kind of got messed up, destroyed. So instead I just put it in here. So I made this card here. It says Happy at Home. Here I used a chair and I used the little blanket, popped it up, and then I had this little book that says Our Story, and I also popped up this phone beside it. It turned out so cute. Then this one here, it says All Good Things. Here you got the pie, and then you got the pot, and you got the coffee. To my mind, it says you're pouring coffee and tea and pie. And in my mind, it says pumpkin pie. I don't like sweet potato pie. So here you, those are good things. So that card. And then here, this one, it says Live It, Love It. You got flowers floating around. Then here you got stucco houses, like in New York where you got like the house all bunched together. And it says family and friends. And then here, this one, I took a panel and embossed it, but I used the deboss side. And here I took the teapots again, and it says Love This, and I added a butterfly. And it was like an archway also used. And then here I used the umbrella background, and I also embossed a circle with clouds in the background. Here you got the sunglasses, and you got the sweater and the gloves, the hat. And then my mind goes all hand in hand. So that's that one. And then the last one, it says Go This Way. Because of course you're going this way in the car. You don't go backwards. And then here you got pumpkins, and I popped up some more pumpkins in the back, and I popped some in the front, and I popped a little tiny one right here, and here you got a tree. And it's going this way, wherever you want to choose to go. So this is the card from last month. So until next time, like and subscribe. See ya.